Forget the Ender Dragon, there's a new mystery gripping Minecraft. Who is Kevin? Let's crack this case in 90 seconds. First, you need the latest Minecraft update, version 1.20, 30 or higher. Make sure you've updated your game or this whole investigation is over before it begins. Next, start a brand new world. This is crucial. Kevin only appears in fresh worlds. Name it something cool, like Kevin's Curse or Operation Find Kevin. Now, get ready to do some serious exploring. Kevin doesn't just pop up, you have to find him. Start by gathering basic resources like wood and stone tools. Head into caves. This is where the real search begins. Explore different biomes too. Kevin's been spotted near lush caves, dripstone caves, and even deep dark biomes. Keep an eye out for anything unusual. Strange blocks, odd structures, anything that seems out of place. Kevin leaves clues, but they're subtle. If you find something suspicious, investigate it thoroughly. Break blocks, look behind waterfalls, leave no stone unturned. Kevin is a master of disguise. Finally, be patient. Finding Kevin takes time and dedication. Don't get discouraged if you don't find him right away. Keep searching, and you might just uncover the truth about who or what Kevin is. So get out there, explore, and maybe, just maybe, you'll finally discover who Kevin is. Good luck, and happy hunting. Don't forget to subscribe for more Minecraft mysteries.